Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the app was unable to play this video. Try to play it with external player error on Telegram. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First go to your Google Play Store and now tap on the search bar and search for Telegram and tap on the Telegram update. Now tap on Telegram. Check update to Telegram. My Telegram app already updated. Okay, done. And go to your phone settings and you scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and scroll down or tap on search bar, search for Telegram, tap on Telegram, force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache, clear data and delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on permission option and allow all permission. First of all, call logs, allow, camera, allow, back, contracts, allow, location, allow, another microphone, nearby devices, music and audio, notifications, turn on. Okay, back, phone, allow, back, photos and videos, allow. Okay, allow all permission complete, done. Okay, back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, and open your Telegram app and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.